Hey crew, Matt and Len here from EIS Alaska.
Hey guys, it's about 1:30 in the morning. We're downtown. You see the boat in the background. We're down here to get fired up and come over and get on the tidal grid. After the tide goes out, we can clean the bottom of our boat, do some other maintenance. Alright, that's it there, guys. Just bumped bottom. Right where we want to be anyways. We usually put a piling right on our midships here. Nice good spot to tie up to. And so we'll run a stern line back to this one. We'll have a ladder to get up and down. Get a bow line on. And then we'll just tip our boom a little bit. Tip us into the dock. We'll be happy. Okay guys, so we're on the grid. Now it's just a matter of waiting for a few hours. Tide will go out, we'll come back down, and yeah, we'll get at it. So, bring you along for the ride, so.
Yeah, see you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Alright, so we're back down at the grid here. Gonna take a look at her.
Yeah, a little goatee.
Careful on this slick ram.
Careful guys, slippery. Wow, look at that. It worked, Matt.
Still there.
Oh, it stayed
A
on.
little bit is still there.
Wow.
That was the key.
What'd you do again?
We splash zoned it, remember?
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Finally.
there it is.
Yeah, she looks pretty good, I guess.
Yeah.
Just kind of do a quick inspection here. Playing. Wow, that bottom one's starting to get some play. Gonna have to do something about that before too long. Probably replace that zinc. Put a new zinc on the prop. So this is where we're putting a new strainer. I don't know why this one's backwards. Weird. And this, I think we're probably going to replace. So we'll have to bevel this glass back about 6 or 8 inches. Depending on the thickness, you're supposed to do a 12:1, so we'll bevel it back 12 inches for every inch of hull thickness. We'll get that beveled out and we'll lay up a patch there and get that covered. And eventually we should do the same here, make a better fairing box for that because it's ugly. But not today. Not too bad. A little bit of fuzz.
Yep. Okay. Well, we'll get set up here and bring you back in.
So this is the tidal grid, or just the grid as we call it. The I-beams that the vessel's resting on, those are called bents, and so it's pretty simple. You just come in at high tide, you tie up. As the tide drops, then your vessel settles down on the bents, and when the tide is low enough, you can go in there and do any maintenance you need to, such as cleaning the bottom of your boat, replacing zincs. So it's a nice alternative to having your boat lifted out at the travel lift at the boat yard. You can just come in, get on for a tide, do your work, and when tide comes back up, you float off and go back to work, I guess, or whatever you have going on. So there we are.
All right, we'll go get a quick peek at the boys. They're all geared up, ready to start spraying off the bottom.
Yep.
Oops.
Well, that's no good. Quick disconnect is broke.
On the unit itself or the attachments?
Now, I think we have a metal one in here. Hold on. Stand by.
I see the problem. Got a little bit of a setback on the pressure washer, but we'll get it up and running here in a few.
Whatever. I mean, come on. The job's around here. Everybody would be out there. Of course, the fob doesn't work over there now.
Just scraping away all the algae. Is that pretty crusty? It doesn't look too bad, huh, T?
Not too bad. Did you get the right part, Mom?
I hope so. This brown piece is the one that they needed. Tan piece.
Where's
This it's cracked.
Be gentle with her.
That's for the washer, was for the nipple.
Yep, got it.
Careful. Don't break it.
All right, well, I guess I'm gonna shut it off now and go get to work too. Whoa! Why did it even come loose?
I think the plastic clips didn't clip.
Okay.
Seems good now. Go ahead and. Yeah, actually, I think those freaking valves up there are super pressurized.
Oh, of course, because nothing else is harder.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter which bucket I use.
How's that?
Let me just run it for a second, and if it's water starved, I'll let you know.
Which bucket, white or blue, Matt?
The blue.
Blue
Or white, doesn't matter.
or white.
Because I already poured bleach in the white one. So.
Just use the white one then. Yep. All right. We'll get to work.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start pressure washing here. Get all this algae off and prepare this area first because that's where we're gonna be fiberglassing. So we'll get going on that. I'll just put you in a time lapse here and hook you back up after. All right, crew. So that's about it for this side. We'll continue on to the other side and take the 3M pad, scrub this up a little bit more, and yeah, we'll pick up after we're done with the other side. It's pretty hard to see over there. It's in the shadows, so I'll just end it here and yeah, pick it up a little bit after when we're done here.
He's tightening down the zinc over here.
How tight?
Real
Tight.
Real tight.
Snug or really tight?
Tight as you can. You did it. Yep,
That's probably tight.
I think so too.
You got the acetone out?
Smile.
Yeah, I got it.
Smile.
All right. You can push that rag up to me. I'll get the inside, okay?
Good job, Keith.
All right.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and replace these zincs down here. We just have some splash zone that we threw on around our zinc. Help keep it on. Very simple, easy to knock off. Smallest bit of zinc left. Get to it just in time. Just drying off the excess water here. Helps the splash zone stick better. Not getting hit by water. Now I'll go ahead and do the same to the prop nut over here. Cleaning up these bolt heads so I can throw some on here too, because the seine web will bellow over into it and snag on them, rip holes in the net. That's just when we're hauling, if I'm not towing correctly, or if the current's high and just drags it over into the under the boat, then it'll sometimes snag, but break a mesh or two on the web. Loctite here, or thread lock. I don't know what kind it is. It's a bit difficult to get in there though. That's in. Perfect. All right. All right, now we'll go back and do the prop nut. All right, we'll mix up our splash zone. Lovely stuff here. Gone until black and orange are thoroughly mixed in into the green blob. So we'll just go ahead and grab a hose. Form it around the front side of it. keep the water turbulence from pulling down on it and eroding it. Same on back. Grab those stones, make the pancakes. Swipe it right around there. Alright. Looks good. Back to the prop nut. Stick that sucker on there. Put in your bowl. Easy peasy. All right. That's that. Should be sufficient. Got those on. And those ones. Hold that good. So there we have it, our boat cleanup and maintenance. Next video we'll start our fiberglass through-hole project. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed. And stay tuned for more from EIS Alaska. See you next time.